But there's one thing which was left, and I told you the time is over. I'll tell you this in the next class. See on the right hand side corner down below at the bottom, riddle fun. Riddle fun. Pranjali, practice and more book, page number 9. Got it? Yes.
निकाल लिया। मैम कौन सी बुक कह रही हैं?
Practice and more child. Page number 9. Practice and more book, page number 9. Ishanvi, sit straight. It says riddle fun. There's a small little riddle given over there. It says, what does a cow listen to? What does a cow listen to? Now children, you all know what sound
आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही।
you all know what sound a cow makes. Yes? Aradhya, what sound does a cow make? What sound does a cow make? In your nursery KG classes you have done. Yes, very good. The cow does moo. कभी अगर आपने सुना होगा कहीं पर आप हैं और गाय की आवाज सडनली आ जाती है, यू कैन हियर moo like this. And you know it says, what does a cow listen to? Now all of you like music? All of you like music, yes or no? Yesterday was yoga day and it was also music day. Everybody was enjoying music also yesterday. You all like to hear music? Yes? Yes, Aram?
Yes. कौन सा नंबर पेज खोलना है?
Aram, page number 9. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Alright, page number 9 at the bottom there's a riddle fun. What does a cow listen to? Now cow sound is moo and you like to hear music. So the cow, it's a little fun over there. You just have to add the sound of the cow is moo, M-O-O. You have to add S-I-C and it becomes music. It becomes music. Instead of music, the fun is music. काव को क्या सुनना अच्छा लगता है? Music, क्योंकि वो move करती है.
मैम.
Yes, Riya.
हमें काम किसने करना? साइंस में ना? क्योंकि मैम.
Yes, Riya, I can hear you speak, child.
मैम कौन सी बुक निकालनी है?
Practice and more, page number 9.
Good morning,
Now,
ma'am.
good morning. Right over here, M-O-O-S-I-C. See the small little square here. काव की आवाज होती है मुंह, और यहाँ पूछा गया काव को क्या सुनना अच्छा लगता है, तो आपको थोड़ा सा इमेजिनेटिव होना है. we like to listen to music. So काव की आवाज मुंह है, उसके आगे हम लगा देंगे SIC, that becomes music. Cow likes to listen to music. Manjeet, practice and more book, child. प्रैक्टिस एंड मोर मैंने प्रीवियस पीरियड में आप लोगों को बताया था. प्रैक्टिस एंड मोर बुक निकालिएगा. दिस बुक. गॉट इट? यस.
Which subject?
Practice and more book. Ayat, take out practice and more book. You have this book? Last time we had finished page number 9. There was one small little riddle here which was left. We are doing that. Right here, M-O-O-S-I-C. All of you? M-O-O-S-I-C. Hayat, you finished? Everyone's finished with this? Music?
Excuse me, ma'am. Which page number?
9. Hassan, have you written? Hayat, take your pencil and write it yourself. Hayat, Heather, take your pencil from mummy and write it, child. MOOSIC. In the small little box given here, there's a little square here. Right over there, MOOSIC. Pranjali, page number 9. At the bottom, MOOSIC. Now turn the page, all of you. Now turn the page. Come to page number 10.
मेरा पेज नंबर 9 नहीं हुआ.
हमने पेज नंबर 9 लास्ट टाइम कंप्लीट करा था. आप क्लास में नहीं थी इसलिए नहीं कंप्लीट होगा. अब आपको वो कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. क्लास ग्रुप में मैंने भेजा है. यू कैन सी इट एंड कंप्लीट. यस मंजीत. MOOSIC. MOOSIC.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Rudraksh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you switched off your camera again? Rudraksh, you don't like ma'am to look at you? You don't want ma'am to see her students? Huh? You got such a nice face. You look so smart. You sit nicely. And then you switch off your camera. क्या हो जाता है? All right. Now.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Page number 10. Put today's date on page 10, children. You and I. We are going to do something new today. You and I. Hassan, put the date. Page 22. Page number 10. Today's date 22.6.2021. Ayat Heather and Ayat Rizvi. One is Ayat, one is AYAT. How do you pronounce that? Just Ayat? Yes, Ayat?
Ayat.
Am I pronouncing it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is also Ayat and that is Ayat. Double A. Okay? So we've got 2 Ayats in the class. Right. Now page number 10, children. Put today's date. Have you all put the date? Give me a thumbs up quickly so that we can continue. Now you have all done naming words. We have done naming words. Now let's quickly revise. Who's going to tell me the definition of a naming word? Raise your hand. Who's going to tell me what are naming words? What is a noun? What is a noun? Who's going to tell me? किसको याद है definition अच्छे से? Raise your hand. Just raise your hand.
Ma'am, may I?
Just raise your hands. Okay, Anya. Anya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is a noun?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a noun?
Noun.
आपने हाथ उठाया कि आपको आती है definition? All right, Kriday, what is a noun?
Ma'am, can I?
Kriday, just a second. Child.
Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. It is a naming word. Example, lamb is a football.
All right. Very good, Kriday. I just wanted the definition. Very good. Okay. So now all of you remember, noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now on page number 10, you have something called you and I. You and I. You and I, they are also called pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Nouns की जगह पर हम यूज करते हैं कुछ words, उनको हम बोलते हैं pronouns. And here you have those pronouns. Pronouns are like you, I, he, she, it, they. These are all pronouns. Now here you have an exercise which says circle the correct pronouns. आपको याद रखना है I, she, they, it. All these are pronouns. For example, if I say कृदय, अगर मैंने बोला कृदय, ओमांश, वली, अली. Okay, I have named 4 boys. तो सबके नाम अलग अलग बोलने की जगह हमने एक वर्ड यूज करा दे. THEY, they. So instead of using all the naming words, I am using one single word, that is they. Alright, and that's a pronoun. So words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Simple. Now you have some sentences here. Let's look at the sentences. It says Joe and Paul. Joe and Paul, there are 2 of them, and they're having a conversation. They are having a conversation. They can see one girl here. Her name is Maya. Can you see this girl? You can see this girl, the picture of the girl. Her name is Maya. And there are 2 friends, Joe and Paul, and they're having a conversation. The first sentence says, "What is Maya doing?" Joe is saying, "What is Maya doing?" So Paul says, she oblique he is coloring. Now she is used for boys or for girls. Which one? She हम यूज करते हैं boys के लिए या girls के लिए? She हम यूज करते हैं girls के लिए. Children, listen carefully. Yes. She हम यूज करते हैं girls के लिए.
मैम शी हम लोग गर्ल्स के लिए यूज करते हैं, हम लोग ही बॉयज के लिए.
Okay, yes, Inaya, right? She we use for girls, he we use for boys. अब यहाँ पर question is, what is Maya doing? And Maya is a girl. And you have 2 options given there. She is coloring or he is coloring. Which option will be correct? Which one? She is coloring, yeah, he is coloring. Maya is a girl. सोच के बताइएगा. Maya is a girl. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? She is coloring या he is coloring? She is coloring. Very good. So please circle SHE she. All of you circle SHE she. Very good. Now next sentence. Again Paul is talking. What are Seema and Ali doing? Now Paul is asking a question. What are Seema and Ali doing? Now you have to imagine that there are 2 friends, Joe and Paul. जो एंड पॉल 2 फ्रेंड्स हैं और वो लोग सब तरफ घूम घूम के देख रहे हैं कि कौन क्या क्या काम कर रहा है. सबसे पहले उन्होंने देखा माया को. एंड दे सेड, जो ने कहा, व्हाट इज माया डूइंग? सो पॉल ने क्या जवाब दिया? शी इज कलरिंग. उसके बाद वो थोड़ा और आगे जाते हैं. अगेन पॉल सेज, व्हाट आर सीमा एंड अली डूइंग? अब उनको आगे जाके और 2 बच्चे दिखते हैं, सीमा एंड अली. सो पॉल सेज, व्हाट आर सीमा एंड अली डूइंग? फिर जो ने क्या जवाब
What
दिया?
chapter, ma'am?
पेज नंबर 10. Page number 10. Right? Prashasti, have you got it?
Yes,
Page
ma'am.
number 10, practice and more book, child.
What book, ma'am?
Now, who is this asking what book, ma'am? We are doing the book Practice and More. Page number 10. Right? So,
Okay, ma'am.
Paul can see Seema and Ali. And he says, what are Seema and Ali doing? अब मोर देन वन, दो बच्चों की बात हो रही है. अभी मैंने आपको 4 बॉयज के नेम्स यूज करे थे और हमने बोला था हृदय, उमश, वली, अली, और हमने इनकी जगह यूज करा था वर्ड. आई हैड यूज द वर्ड THEY, they. I had used the word THEY, they. So here again, the answer to Paul's question, what are Seema and Ali doing? They are two children. More than one के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं word THEY, they.
Ma'am, may I?
THEY, they. प्रशस्ति, पेज नंबर
Ma'am, may
10.
I?
प्रशस्ति, यस. जो ने क्या आंसर दिया? दे आर ईटिंग और वी आर ईटिंग. व्हाट विल बी करेक्ट, प्रशस्ति?
They are.
They
Ma'am,
are
they are.
eating. They are eating. Very good. So circle THEY, they. वी की बात जो होगी जब हम अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे साथ और भी लोग हैं, तब हम वी यूज करेंगे. दे जब हम किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, when we are talking about somebody else, right? So circle they. Now again, Paul and Joe वो थोड़ा सा और आगे जाते हैं. Now they can see a bird, they can see the tree. So Paul says, look at the bird on the tree. Look at the bird on the tree. So Joe says, we or it is a parakeet. जो ने बताया उस बर्ड का नाम. उस बर्ड का नाम था parakeet. Now parakeet is a beautiful bird, children. I'll show you the image of a parakeet.
मैम मेरे यहाँ एक बर्ड आई थी जो ब्लू कलर की थी.
Okay, that's nice.
मैम मेरे यहाँ भी एक बर्ड आई थी छोटी सी.
Okay, now look at this. This is a parakeet. And you know they are of different colors, children. This is a green color one. See, you can see many more different colors. छोटे छोटे अलग अलग different colors की birds होती हैं parakeet. And they are very pretty. Aram, are you watching? You putting something in your pocket? Look here.
मैम वेरी
See, this is a parakeet. Hayat, can you see a parakeet? See here, these are beautiful birds. Parakeet. So, पॉल एंड जो ने ये वाली बर्ड देखी ट्री पर, और पॉल ने पूछ कहा, लुक एट द बर्ड ऑन द ट्री. एंड जो सेज, it is a parakeet. Joe says it is a parakeet. It we are using for the animal and it is one. So it says it is a parakeet. Circle IT it. Circle IT it. Hayat, have you got your book open in front of you, child? Circle IT it on the last sentence over there.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. When all of you finish, give me a thumbs up. Then we'll do the little riddle given over there again. There is another riddle fun over here. You're like riddles, children? You like riddles and puzzles? पहेलियां आपको अच्छी लगती? रिडल्स को हिंदी में बोलते हैं पहेली. हिंदी में आप लोग बोलते हैं ना, पहेली सुलझाओ. Yes? Aram is feeling hot, I think. Aram, don't play with the tie.
बुक भी है.
Now there is one puzzle over here. It says, what is white when it is... Yes, Manjeet? पैराकीट सेंटेंस में IT इट सर्कल करना है आपको. मंजीत, सर्कल
Is
I.
a flying.
Yes.
Is a flying. Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes. Manjeet, I cannot
Okay,
get
ma'am.
you, child.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I drink water?
Now everybody wants to drink water.
मैम ये पूछता है मैम may I drink water?
Now just wait, children. You'll have in your break. Break में आप लोग finish क्यों नहीं कर लेते हैं सब कुछ?
तो टाइम
Just
कहाँ होता है?
we just have 30 minutes class and then you have your
मैम
break.
पैराकीट होता है
पैराकीट तोता, yes, तोते की तरह होता है, वो bird होता है. It's a bird. अलग अलग different colors के होते हैं.
मैम होता है फुल बॉडी
Yes,
मैम
Manjeet.
मेरे घर में चाइल्ड है previous maths class we started doing bird नहीं parrot मैम सारी मेरे घर में एक पैरेट है this exercise we have solved two questions
Okay, now I can hear somebody's mic is on.
Ma'am, water.
And somebody's mic is on and mummy's teaching at the back. So please mute yourselves. All right, now there's a riddle over there. What is white when it is dirty and black when it is clean? अब आप दिमाग पे जोर डालकर सोचिए, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो कि जब white
Ma'am,
when it is, what is
blackboard.
it? White when it is dirty and black when it is clean. Somebody has already given the answer, blackboard. Right? It's a blackboard. When it is white, it is dirty. जब उस पर blackboard पे white chalk से लिख दिया जाता है तो वो dirty हो जाता है. जब उसको wipe करके फिर से clean कर देते हैं वो फिर से black हो जाता है. Yes or no? Can you imagine a blackboard? Yes. So all of you write over there blackboard. BLACK, black. BOARD, board. Blackboard. BLACK, black. BOARD, board. Blackboard.
ये वाला जो होमवर्क आपने अपने पेरेंट्स को भेज दिया मेरा भी तो पूरा नहीं ना
Blackboard. I'll send the image of this picture, children. Now, do you have your colors with you? Do you have your colors around with you? Those who have, take them out. Those who have their colors with them, take them
yes
out.
ma'am
Those who have their colors around, take it out from your bag. I always tell you, keep your bags
yes
with you
ma'am
so you can take them out. Take out your
pencil
colors.
colors
Pencil colors. All right. Now it says color the clouds that have names of family members. Now all of you know the names of your family members. Yes? You all know the names of your family members? Okay, let's quickly revise. Family में कौन कौन होते हैं? Omansh, can you tell me one person?
father mother sister brother grandpa grandpa
Grandma. Okay, very good. Father, mother, sister, brother, grandpa, grandma. Right, very good. Now we have some words over here in the clouds and you have to look for the names of the family members. The first one is already done for you. The first cloud, red color, we have grandma. Now second cloud, there is grandpa. Is grandpa a family member? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Grandpa is a family member? Yes. Now take any one color. Take any one color and color that cloud. Color that cloud. Any color. Shubh, take any color.
lily पिंक ले सकते हैं?
Yes, Asta?
पिंक ले सकते हैं?
Yes, any color. Next word is pilot. Is pilot a family member? Okay, Shivansh, Ria, everybody is giving a thumbs down. Aradhya also, very good. So, pilot is not a family member. We will not color that cloud. Yes, Wali, I can see you. Good. So, we will not color that cloud. Next cloud we have father. Father. Your father is your family member, children? Father is family member? Very good. Everybody is giving a thumbs up. That's right. So color that cloud. Father. Color that cloud. Manjeet, are you doing it?
Teacher, mother, sister.
Grandpa.
Ma'am.
Father.
Excuse me, मैम
Yes.
कलर हम लोग कोई भी कलर से कर सकते हैं?
Yes. Any color.
ओके मैम.
All right. Nipun, are you doing it, child?
मैंने ऊपर एक ग्रैंडपा देखा, उस पर नीचे मदर लिखा है. मदर बना सकते हैं हम लोग उसको?
Grandpa. Father. Now the next word over there is teacher. Teacher is your family member? Is teacher family member? No. So we will not color that. Mother. Mother is your family member? So we'll color mother. Next, sister. Sister is your family member? Your sister is your family member, Hassan? Sister is your family member? Yes, that's right. So we will color sister. And friend. God bless you, Aradhya. Friend. Friend is family member? No, Hardik is giving thumbs down. Okay, so we will not color friend. So you have to color grandpa, you have to color father, you have to color mother and sister. 4 clouds only. Only 4 clouds to color. Yes, Pranjali? Grandpa. Grandpa. आपके नाना दादा को बोलते हैं grandpa इंग्लिश में. Okay, you can do any color. दादी या नानी को बोलते हैं ग्रैंडमा और दादा और नाना को बोलते हैं ग्रैंडपा. Ali, you finished coloring all the 4 clouds? Lift your book, let me see. Let me see. All right, very good. Good. Okay, Manjeet, very good. Yes, Vaishnavi, I can see. Ishanvi, Vinayak, Devansh, Hardik, Hayat. Okay, Omansh also. Good. Right. Now below that, all right. Now below that you have to write he or she for the family members. अब आपको नीचे वहाँ पर फैमिली मेंबर्स के नेम्स लिखने हैं और जितने मेल मेंबर्स हैं all the boys you have to write he and for the females, the ladies, the girls you write she. I will be sending you the image of this page, children. You can complete your work. Those who have not been able to complete, I'll send you the image. You can finish it.
Okay, ma'am.
The first word grandma is written over there. Next word will be grandpa. Right? G-R-A-N-D, grandpa. P-A, grandpa. Write the names of the family members first. सारे family members के names पहले finish करेंगे. Grandpa, then father, F-A-T-H-E-R. Next line, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Next line, mother. And last line, sister. And it says, say it quick. Red lorry, yellow lorry. See here, there's a tongue twister, children. This is called a tongue twister. This is called a tongue twister. इसको आपको जल्दी जल्दी बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, आज प्रैक्टिस करिएगा, कल हम सुनेंगे इसको. रेड लॉरी येलो लॉरी, रेड लॉरी येलो लॉरी, रेड लॉरी येलो लॉरी. जल्दी जल्दी बोलना है इसको. Okay, today you practice this. This is called a tongue twister. Tomorrow I will ask you this in the class. Let me see how many of you will practice it. Right? Aradhya is saying it. Aradhya, say, let me hear you.
Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Lorry. It is pronounced as lorry. इसको बोलने में आपकी जो टंग है ना, टंग ट्विस्ट हो जा रही है. This is called a tongue twister. Okay. Now you practice your red lorry, yellow lorry, green beans. Children, listen. Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves. Okay. Mute yourselves. Now class is over. With me, you had only 2 periods today, right? You still have your remaining classes. So I'm not saying the prayer just now, right? And remember, मम्मी को याद दिला दीजिएगा 11 o'clock पे मैम एक शॉर्ट मीटिंग लेंगी. Okay, so